In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to configure SAML on Google Workspace. If you find this video useful, be sure to like and subscribe, and let's get right into it.
First, head over to Google Workspace, a secure platform offering online productivity and collaboration tools. If you're not familiar, Google Workspace integrates all your favorite Google applications and is essential for managing various services and tools within an organization. Once you are on the Google Workspace page, you'll want to locate the admin console. This is the centralized hub where administrators can control their organization's Google services efficiently. Click on the admin console to proceed. Now that you're in the admin console, you'll want to navigate to the Google Workspace dashboard. The dashboard provides an overview of your organization's settings and can be incredibly intuitive once you get the hang of it. Here you'll find all the necessary tools to manage users, configure applications, and monitor your services. Next, locate and click on the Apps section. This is crucial as it contains the application's configuration settings, and it's from here that you'll be configuring SAML settings for your applications. Once you've accessed apps, focus on the web and mobile apps section. This category is particularly geared towards application configurations that will inevitably support your organization's mobile or web-based tools. After entering this section, you'll want to add a new app by clicking the Add Apps button. This is where you'll begin setting up your custom integrations with existing web and mobile apps. Next, select Add Custom SAML App. SAML, which stands for Security Assertion Markup Language, is a protocol used for user authentication and authorization. It's particularly useful for single sign-on functionality, allowing users to access multiple applications with a single set of credentials. Before proceeding, make sure your domain is verified if it hasn't been verified already. This step is vital as a verified domain grants the necessary permissions to align with your security configurations in Google Workspace. Remember, setting up SAML correctly can enhance your organization's security by enabling a standardized authentication process. It helps verify user identities and manages authentication sessions, ultimately ensuring smooth and secure access to applications. As you work through each step, take your time to ensure all information is accurately configured and aligned with your organization's security policies. By now, you should be well on your way to having SAML configured on Google Workspace. These steps can greatly improve not only your security infrastructure but also usability for your users, providing them with a seamless integration experience across their apps. Thanks for tuning in today, and happy configuring.